Hello guys, welcome to Filmy Beat. Firstly, congratulations. Talking about the trailer, it looks amazing. So, किस तरीके का किरदार है? क्या कुछ बताना चाहोगे?
Thank you.
I'm playing a captain.
Sorry?
I'm playing a captain.
I'm playing a lawyer in the film. If you must see. ट्रेलर में हमने कंफ्यूज करने के लिए ऐसे किया था कुछ कि मैंने यूनिफॉर्म
I'm an undercover army officer.
But I think it's a very exciting special film. We are really looking forward to the release. The topic which we're trying to cover is very important, which we think that people should be aware of, which we got aware of when we heard the story the first time. We all searched about the film, like the topic, gender equality, and it's very important that people get to know this old age जो ये law है, जो ये rule है, that it still exists. I think we would want to. We're just having a discussion about that. We're fighting for the right of a women athlete, which is played by Rashmi. A lot of people are thinking it's a biopic, but it's just inspired from many women athletes across the world and the kind of issues.
My next question was that only. Is it a biopic? Because many people are they are associating it someone's biopic. So it's not a biopic basically, but it's a real story.
Yeah, I mean it's not a biopic because biopic would be
of many cases. I think it's a biopic of many cases like this.
It's inspired by many women athletes what they've been facing across the world, and many of them have filed complaints against this rule internationally and in India. Some have fought, some have lost, some have won, but the battle is still on.
Alright, so प्रियांशु के तो कैरेक्टर के बारे में पता चल गया. अभिषेक आपका किस तरीके का किरदार है? ट्रेलर तो हमने देखा है, like you are a lawyer, but what do you have to say apart from that? How you came on board? What do you have to say?
I very simple basic casting process. The cast director called the actor. The actor read the script and then he knew the director. So I knew Akash Khurana, so I spoke to him and I just wanted to know more about the story because it was quite surprising. I never expected this, because it's such a beautifully written script. I think the writers have done a fantastic job with it, and I had lots of lines to say. So that really excited me a lot because in Padhar Log I had no lines. So every time somebody would say that, "Arey yaar, tere lines nahi," मुझे लगता था हाँ यार मेरे lines नहीं, मुझे lines बोलने हैं. Then finally इतने सारे lines दे दिए भगवान ने एक साथ. That it was very difficult because I suddenly realized that I have to now memorize all this and say it with like conviction and clarity and understanding the points, because sometimes the language was very technical. Sometimes the language was how a lawyer would probably fight the case. So for me it was important to actually believe in whatever was written and also rehearse it and also not look rehearsed as an actor. So there were multiple challenges with regards to the character. Also, I was playing something in this territory for the first time. This is my first degree part. इससे पहले मेरे कोई part को degree नहीं था, लेकिन तो ये this was very special. And yeah, I mean I think I knew a lot of people on set. Priyanshu, of course, I know him for a long time. Taapsee, of course, I know her from a long time. Akash is somebody I have known since my college days. So, and there were many other actors on set whom I knew during my my theater days. So yeah, I mean I think important था ये film मेरे लिए करना, to challenge myself and also to break the image which I think gets created with every character. So yeah.
Alright, and प्रियांशु आपसे जानना चाहूंगी, since we know हमने already आपको देखा है negative shades में इतनी सारी whether it's Sacred Games that we talk about, Extraction और मिर्जापुर. So क्या ये भी similar वैसा ही कुछ इसमें भी नजर आएगा या this is like totally an image breaker or something like that?
Negative shade में Extraction में देखा, Sacred में.
Yeah, that's what Sacred Games में तू कहा था.
Extraction of course देखा है. Robin negative नहीं है. Robin बड़ा
वो पता चलेगा
रॉबिन अभी तक किसी को पता नहीं है क्या है, मुझे भी नहीं पता. One of the most mysterious and fun characters I have played. Definitely it's been a great ride as an actor and stepping stone. Every part has been to change yourself, to get into a skin of a character, to really look differently, really approach a part differently. It excites you. That's what makes me as an actor excited to every day to get up and go to the set and do something new. I've been saying that I don't want to be bored of watching myself also on screen. So no part should look or sound similar to the previous one which I've just done. Even here, Captain Gagan is very, very different for me to play. I've never played such a mature guy. I never played an army officer. This was a special one because I come from an army background. But while playing the guy, I should make sure that his nuances are right as an army officer. One, otherwise, I'll get scolded from back home. My dad will be like, "तुमने तो lifelong देखा है ये सब, तुम क्यों गलती कर रहे हो?" And secondly, I wanted to play him really differently from how you've generally seen army officers in films. He's a softer guy, he's a fun guy, he's a quirky guy, he's just shy guy. And to build a chemistry with Rashmi, which we're trying to show as a very, very mature love story. It's not your typical love story where we are holding hands every time. It's not that we're speaking too much to each other. So without speaking words, when you can convey and you can balance each other. So the energy balancing between Rashmi and Gagan, you'll see, is very, very beautifully, actually written also very beautifully, which I loved, and the way Akash wanted me to approach it. So I've tried to achieve that and try to change my image this time. So I hope अभी ये भी ठीक है के बाद जो सब अब मुझे बोलते रहते हैं हमेशा, अब जैसे कहीं मैं दिखूं तो सीधा मुझे सल्यूट करके जैन सर बोले कि that they start taking me seriously as an army officer. So I think that will be great. Yeah.
All right. And इसके अलावा talking about the release. This is basically OTT release. So what do you think कि OTT में अभी सारी बड़ी-बड़ी movies are directed towards OTT. So अभी तो सिनेमा भी open हो रहा है. So do you think कि थोड़ा और wait कर लेना चाहिए था? And जब भी of course theaters open होते तब ये release करते तो ज़्यादा better होता. What is your take on this OTT versus cinema?
See, OTT is a platform, a separate platform in itself. When we are releasing an OTT, we are looking at a wider audience right now. Definitely, we all love going to the theaters and watching it on a big screen. We want our work also to go there. But I think the theaters will take time. We're still not there that we'll get 100% occupancy. It will take time. We're starting off. That's a great news. But I think it'll take a couple of months for everybody to get comfortable, to families to actually come together and make. जैसे पहले होता था कि it used to be a family plan to come together and go watch a film. It used to be an event. But people, since pandemic, have also become lazy. We'll have to really pull them out of their homes and really get them to the theaters. But releasing an OTT is one of the best things which you can do right now. Currently, you want your story to reach the masses, reach every nook and corner of the world, which ZEE5 is going to do with this film.
Okay, and what is your take, Abhishek, on this?
OTT versus cinema. Theaters. I mean, I don't know when. So I don't know why did this start. This whole debate is only not required. There are two different mediums. There will be films on theaters. There will be films on OTT. It's not. I mean, people should be just happy, right, that there is more business opportunity right now, and there's no ये कोई team नहीं चल रही है कि theater team or OTT team. But I know that's how the conversations are that they happen these days. But I feel that these are just two different mediums, and today an OTT audience has as wide a reach as probably the screens in India. Okay, so and probably it will only grow wider. So how nobody can say अभी TV सबसे बड़ा reach है, television सबसे बड़ा reach है. आपकी film चाहे theater पे आ जाए, and that you will understand when you're starting. We are all starting our careers, right? I'm sure तेरे साथ भी ये होगा कि मतलब, और हो भी रहा होगा. I'm sure भावे जब release हुई होगी तो वो जब TV पे release होता है ना, तो suddenly you see the kind of attention you're getting on the road. Yeah. Or how many people have seen that. So वो reach अभी आप you can't beat that. But of course, everybody, an actor wants to see himself in that bigger screen. I think that is something, the dream. That was the dream. If even on stage, a stage is a big stage. You don't have small tiny bedroom stages. You have a nice auditorium where you're performing. So that whole experience of performing in front of the audience is basically what you achieve through cinema. Because on the screen, you can sit with them and you can see how they're feeling, and you're not basically stopping each story or message to understand how they're feeling. You're basically you can get the vibe right there and then. And with OTT, the amazing part, so again, now with OTT, the best part is that yes, you're watching it in the theaters, and you can see them laugh, scream, or smile at your dialogues, or your scenes. But there is no personal dialogue between you and them. But on OTT, when there's a release, you see that these people, like the audience, they show their love. They make memes about you, or they post stories about you, or they want to talk to you, or they talk about some detailing of some scene or a movement which you have done. So that's a great thing, यार. मतलब ये बड़ा interesting हो जाता है कि now you can discuss your performances with the audience, and sometimes they can be very blatant and say कि सर इसमें मजा नहीं है, या कि मुझे वो वाला देखना पड़ा दोबारा आपका यार अच्छा काम देखने के लिए. So then you realize कि okay, like the people can have different tastes. You can't like make everybody happy. And so I find both the mediums very exciting. But yeah, I mean, if you have to talk about a visual experience, theater will always win because it's a bigger screen. हम लोग हमेशा टीवी पे यही तो ऐड देखते रहते हैं कि कितना बड़ा स्क्रीन होगा टीवी का, तो कोई तो रीजन होगा उसका.
ऑलराइट, एंड जिस तरीके से हमने ट्रेलर देखा, लोगों को काफी पसंद आ रहा है. गाना फर्स्ट सॉन्ग बाहर आ चुका है आज, एंड गरबा सॉन्ग है, लोगों को काफी वो भी पसंद आ रहा है. तो अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, मूवी की अगर बात करो तो क्या आप लोगों को पहले से पता था अबाउट दिस इशू जो हाईलाइट हो रहा है इस मूवी के थ्रू, लाइक, एंड व्हाट वाज योर टेक जब आपको इसके बारे में पता चला?
नहीं, मुझे नहीं पता था. आई थिंक हम लोग हम सब एक्टर्स ने बाद में डिस्कस किया कि हमें इतनी अवेयरनेस ही नहीं थी कि ऐसा कुछ एग्जिस्ट करता है. हमें पता था कि अलग अलग तरीके की प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करते हैं एथलीट्स, स्पेशली हमारे कंट्री में, लेकिन एक जेंडर टेस्ट जैसी चीज है जो सिर्फ विमेन एथलीट्स फेस करती हैं अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड, और जिसके अगेंस्ट काफी फाइट हुई है. इंटरनेशनल एथलीट्स ने किया है, इंडियन एथलीट्स ने भी किया है. ये सब मुझे नहीं पता था. आई हैड टू आल्सो गूगल एंड देन सर्च अबाउट दिस थिंग, एंड आई वाज वेरी सरप्राइज्ड टू लर्न मोर एंड मोर अबाउट इट. इनफैक्ट जिस तरीके से आप फिल्म में बाद में देखेंगे, जिस तरीके से फिल्म आगे क्लाइमैक्स की तरफ बढ़ती है, मैं तो आकर से कह रहा था कि ये पक्का असली में होता है, हम सिर्फ फिल्मी लिबर्टी ले रहे हैं. तो उसने कहा नहीं है, असली में होता है, बहुत सारे एथलीट्स ने ये किया है. तो जब आप फिल्म देखेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि एक्चुअली हर एक चीज सच्चाई है, और इसके थ्रू अगर लोगों के दिमाग में भी हम अवेयरनेस पैदा करते हैं और वो जाके गूगल सर्च करें, तो आई थिंक हमने एक सक्सेसफुल फिल्म बनाई है.
ओके, एंड जिस तरीके से डेफिनेटली लोगों को एक्सपेक्टेशंस तो काफी ट्रेलर से देख के काफी अच्छा लग रहा है, एंड बहुत सारे लोगों को डेफिनेटली अवेयरनेस नहीं है अबाउट दिस इशू. बट अगर मैं बात करूँ तो ये साल ओलंपिक्स की, एंड सिंस दिस इज द एथलीट बेस्ड मूवी, सो इंडिया काफी प्राउड है. सो व्हाट यू गाइस हैव टू से अबाउट दिस टोक्यो ओलंपिक्स एंड करंट, what do you guys have to say about this?
Oh yeah, amazing. Matlab, I think this has been the best performance by our team, like in both Olympics and Paralympics. So it really was quite a proud moment for, I think, all of us as Indians. And yeah, and see, that's what I'm saying. I think it's great time to release a film like this, because now we are talking about sports. ये कॉफी टेबल कॉन्वर्सेशन में लाना बहुत जरूरी है, ताकि वो चीज को हम और उसको बड़ा कर पाए. आई थिंक क्रिकेट तक ही रिस्ट्रिक्ट रहता है हमेशा स्पोर्ट्स कॉन्वर्सेशंस हमारे देश में, लेकिन और भी लोग इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं, और वो तो इंडिविजुअली कर रहे हैं यार. लाइक समवन लाइक नीरज चोपड़ा, winning that and you see the kind of training he's doing, or you see the other athletes, you see the wrestlers, you see the shooters in Paralympics, you see like them like performing, and I was quite amazed every time, because I'm like, okay, like sports people, I think they're the real inspiration, because they are the biggest test of mental and physical endurance. They face the biggest test, and their success stories like really give you that hope. At least it does to me. कि अरे तुम तो कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे हो यार. You are तो not doing anything. You are just like memorizing a line and like thinking about a character and just going in front of camera and doing it. Look at them. Like look at the kind of hard work they have been doing from years. And it can be like really. I think that it's not easy. It's not easy what they're doing. And if we have laws and bylaws which is not helping them, but restricting them, like and to not know about it, I feel that I'm equally responsible for the system as much as the system. So if I don't know about it, I won't be talking about it. So just to learn about this kind of a situation which our sports authorities across the globe is, I think, dealing with, and sports people across the globe is dealing with, and we're making a film about it, I think it's important. It just gets it out in the open, and probably then people take notice to it, and things change.
Absolutely. the kind of, as you said, just adding to that, that the sports people inspire you so much. I think we need to really, as cinema people, we need to make more and more stories about them, spread more and more, not just when, as he had mentioned before, that not just when they're winning something, not when they're really successful. I think otherwise also the kind of issues they've been facing, and in different formats and different fields. That's what like our film is all about. We are not really talking about one particular athlete. It's about that issue which women athletes have been facing. So I think we need to make more. Tell this.
When I heard about that one of the athletes would take lifts from truck, वो trucks में से lift लेकर वो अपने stadium में जाती थी, to play. I realized that the problem is there's nothing which a sports authority can do, but the basic transportation. मतलब कि एक जगह पे बेसिक ट्रांसपोर्टेशन नहीं है कि इंसान एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जा सके, तो और पर वहां से भी निकल कर कोई इंटरनेशनल स्टेज पे इतनी बड़ी विक्ट्री पाता है, इतना रिकग्निशन पाता है, तो I don't think we can complain. Like so sports people always teach me not to complain about your situations in life, and just keep getting up every day and keep training and keep doing what you want and what you like, and not worry about the result so much.
Yes, Priyanshu, continue. You were saying something.
So the same thing. I was just adding to that. That I think now with what we can do is, I also love reading real life stories about sportsmen, and if they can train themselves every day, we as artists should train ourselves. And anybody from any field, I think we should take inspiration from sports people, sports persons, and if we can make stories about them, make stories about issues they face, that can be a good way of inspiring people around the world.
Okay, so do you guys think after watching this movie, जो message है वो लोगों तक पहुंचेगा, receive होगा, and after that, इसके ऊपर कुछ changes आएंगे in terms of talking about the society or the rules and regulation of the athlete? Do you think कि ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है?
Changes, I don't think हम change के लिए film बना रहे हैं. A change can happen only through people and within a person's mind, right? So I don't think we are influencing them. We are just giving them awareness that such a thing exists. We are giving them a story of some person who fought for the right, and if it can inspire them, and if it can give a step towards women athletes and some kind of stuff can be done for them, that'll be great. That'll be a bonus. But otherwise, if people can just get aware of this and actually read about this and fight for it, also will be great. Yeah.
All right. So lastly, Janasipale, what message you would like to give to the audience and the viewers who are watching you? What do you guys have to say?
I think we've all come together to make a beautiful story, a topic which should be there, which should be out as a film. All of us had a lot of fun doing it because there's some great people involved with this film. RSVP, Mango people, Tapsi, Abhishek is there, Akash's film. I'm involved. I was very, very happy to be part of the film. It's a very special film. I just want to say that if you're from any field, wherever you're from, and whether you're a kid or an old person or anybody, I think it's a family watch. You should definitely watch this film. It's about fighting. It's about sometimes you lose hope in yourself. Sometimes then you have to fight your fears. Sometimes you start doubting yourself because somebody has pointed finger at you. Some association has put you down, or some people have given you bad reviews. Even as actors, we start doubting ourselves. People are saying bad stuff about us. But if you believe in yourself, you can really, get up from your failures and then take a nice flight. And that is when you become a rocket. Watch this film if you want to know how to become a rocket.
That's amazing. Yeah. And what you would like to say, Abhishek?
Nothing. Watch it to just get inspired. Watch it to, probably learn to fight your own fights. And watch it to know your own self-worth, and it's just like, I think that's what we have done. We have learned through this film that a journey, how difficult a journey of a winner can be. So just experience that, and not just celebrate them in their success, but also support them in their training, support them in their lives generally also, because it's heartbreaking to see many athletes and many sportsmen actually without jobs after their career ends. And we don't want to be a society like that, where we can't even cushion our own sportsmen, the ones who are, at least the ones who are winning. जो नहीं जीत रहे उन पे तो बात अभी पता नहीं कब होगी, कैसे होगी, पर जो जीत रहे हैं उनकी भी जिंदगी अगर हम क्वेश्चन नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, आई थिंक समवेयर वी आर फेलिंग. So I think it's very important that way that we watch a film like this and probably just bring some kind of change around us.
Correct. All right. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure talking to you both, and we are looking forward for the release. All the best. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Thank you, Monica.